every trader's focus is to get low spreads and finding a perfect strategy. They also focus on proper entries and exits. However, before any decision is made, look for a reliable broker. We all want to have good spreads and commissions that allow us to get into the blue faster. At HankoTrade, having spreads as low as 0.0 pips with leverage available up to 500 times is just one click away. You may also choose from 3 different account types, with a minimum deposit as low as $10. Built by traders for traders. Trade and control with our recommended broker, HankoTrade.
Hey guys, what's going on? What's going on, guys? Current time 7:33, March 16th, 2022. All right. You can see that we have gold on the daily here. All right. Guys, make sure to check the description box for a few things. Okay, one, not a buy or sell channel here. We're just providing free technical and fundamental analysis. All right. Any trades taken are upon yourself. Make sure to only risk like 1% if you're going to trade at all. If you're just watching, guys, enjoy the free technical and fundamental analysis, like I mentioned. You can also check out our recommended broker, HankoTrade. All right. The link is in the description box, so make sure to check that out. But yeah, guys, with that being said, current time, like I said, 7:33. Let's get doing our top down. We're going to do probably gold and then GU. All right. And then we're going to look at probably Nasdaq and US 30. All right, so hope everyone's having a good morning so far. It's not bad here in Canada. It's a little bit foggy, nice weather. So let's hope that brings good luck to the charts today. All right. So we're gonna get doing some demand area. Same place as we've been doing it pretty much all week. Okay, so far. All right. Gonna look at the short-term supply on the daily right up here. Okay, now that's a far distance away. All right, as mentioned before. So we'll find a smaller and lower time frame supply and demand zone when we keep doing our top down. All right. So you can see we have a nice rejection candle here for the continuation at the wick. All right. So we're going to switch this over to yellow here. So at 1955. Okay. Find some support right at roughly 1906. All right, and then we're going to gather and look to trade within this candle from the high and the low, and then we have our current daily candle here. So we'll break down some lower level support when we keep going down to our 4-hour and maybe our hourly. Okay. All right. So right here, find some good support. This is a little larger, guys. And you can see the types of volume in terms of candles that we're getting right now. It's choppy, okay, especially gold right now. It looks choppy. Okay, I haven't traded this morning so far. Okay, I was just looking at the charts, but as you can see, there's no volume. A little bit of head fake. You get a lot of doji, spinning tops, pin bars. All right, so it'll be really interesting how we're gonna lead into maybe 8:30, 9 o'clock, different times like that. All right, so we'll drop now down to hourly. Okay, you're gonna touch this up right here. Most likely gather that area of support here too. And we gather that bottom wick right there. Okay, find some nice support level right here. Alright, one more. Okay guys, now we're going to drop to the 30-minute time frame, and we're going to switch to baby blue. So see what I mean about the choppiness, guys? We do have a nice little trend here, okay, but you can see there's a lot of resistance. Every time the prices came in this rough area, a lot of sellers have taken control, okay? Although we have a nice little uptrend here, the overall trend has been bearish. Okay, so you can see nice little uptrend. All right, but remember, I'm seeing long wick right here. I do see some wicks to the upside, but we're going to need some nice push momentum. We'll check out the RSI and everything to see where we're at in the lower time frame. Right now on the 30-minute, you can see we're just hovering around that 50 point. Just make that large. We'll go 50. All right, so we just broke above, but we got to get the continued momentum to get the continued push. All right. Everything looks pretty good here. Just go back and tighten some things up. Okay, nice little demand zone. Right in this 15-minute time frame. Okay, we'll go to 5 now. So guys, as you can see, nice uptrend is continuing. All right, they found some nice support. Okay, have some resistance here. Remember supply. Okay, so let me mark this down. Okay, so let's take a peek on the RSI here. Throw on the moving averages. All right, so you can still see we're hovering around the 50. We bounced here, which bounced. Okay, right above that line. Price is slowly starting to rise, but the volume candles are they're getting weak here. Okay, every time we touch this uptrend, we get some continuation. All right, but we got to watch and see how far we're going to go. We have an ability to get to 1924.72. All right, which is just starting to kind of fruition now. You can see that this is a neckline right here, and we're just starting to break to the upside. All right, 1922.9. And you have pushing into supply right here on the 30-minute at 1924.28. Okay, so like I said, 740. Okay, if you're not familiar with the time, you can see it right here. And I'm gonna wait till probably like 7:45. See how the next candle starts to go. This candle just opened. It's looking pretty bullish here so far. Okay, but there's a lot of resistance, remember, in this current area. So you can see gold is starting to get a nice little push here. The overall trend of gold is bearish. Remember that. All right. So you can see a nice little move. All right, from 1922 to 1924. But where's going to be that area that we get some resistance? If price wants to continue, all right, you can see we have a next key area right around here. Okay, which is hosting that rejection bearish candle to the left. Okay, there we go, guys. There's that big break through the 30-minute supply. Okay, and it's getting its continued push. Okay, so from 1922, guys, you can see is an extended continuation. All right, now here's going to be the key candle right here. This thing is either going to continue to push and tap 1926.5, or you're going to start to see some resistance here, pushing back into this supply zone. All right, and then we're going to wait for the next move on the next candle open. All right. so see what I mean? Nice little wick, getting pushed right back down. All right, I got 742. Okay. 743 guys are coming up to about a minute 30. That's gonna be the 745. All right. Okay, so the volume is starting to increase a bit. You can see by that long wick is starting to get filled. All right. So watch and see this candle 2. See if we're gonna get a nice little push near the end in about 30 seconds. Last 30 seconds. Okay. So there's a big volume-based candle, guys. You can see it's starting to push, having its continuation. Thirty seconds, guys. Gonna throw on the 2 moving averages here. Okay, so you can see we're above the 200. Just made a nice little golden cross on the daily, or sorry, on the lower time frame on the 5. Okay, so you can see this candle started to open up bullish. Okay, so remember I mentioned they probably want to retest it here. Okay, it's 745. Take a look on the 15 now, guys. This is what I wanted to see. So we just had a nice W pattern here, starting to break. Here's your retest of the neckline. Okay, so if this thing holds here and it holds that little uptrend, you can see gold start to rise back to these levels. All right, if it doesn't, you're going to see the gold start to break down. Okay, and obviously go into the bearish trend. Okay, so we're going to take a watch on GU2. All right. Okay, so we'll go check out GU here now, guys. All right, we'll go check out GU leading into 8 o'clock. Okay, members, make sure to check the Zoom. Let's go check out GU right now, guys. Look at the big push on GU. Okay, so we missed that. We weren't really trading it at the time. Okay, but this is the same analysis from yesterday. Okay, same analysis from yesterday. You know what? Let's do our top down. Okay. Oof! Look at that big candle, guys. Nice little demand zone. Okay, have some resistance right here. Right there, looking good. Okay, guys, we're going to quickly head back to gold for a second. Okay, guys, you can see. There you go, guys. Let's go. Gold run almost 10 pips. Okay, so members, just be careful. Be happy with these 10 pips. I mentioned right around here. Okay, this is the target. Boom, guys. Yes, 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 yes. Let's go. Beautiful, guys. Members, take that. That trade was that was nice. Okay, the nice retest continuation candle, guys. If this thing wants to rise, this thing's going to continue. Okay. You guys get your pips on that. All right. 10 pips in the bag. Good, guys. Good, good, good. Okay, now don't get greedy here. This is where you take your profit here. Take the pips. Okay, this thing can push right back down. You see how it did a retest here? We're gonna now watch and see if it's gonna have a continuation. However, they might push this down. Okay, they might push it down. So don't get greedy, guys. Take this for what it is. All right. On the retest, if you guys got it, it's roughly about 18 pips. It ran about 23. Okay. See what I mean? You might not have got out early, iPhone. See how it's starting to push down? All right, we're going to watch and see here. Make this baby blue for 1 sec, sorry. Okay. So if you guys are still in, don't get greedy. Remember what I said. If it does still run, it is what it is. Okay. See? Nice little push. Okay. Then you have your retest, continuation, and then you have like there's a lot of sellers in here, guys. Remember that. They're just hovering around. Okay. Key level right here. They opened. If we dive into this candle a little further, the body candle is still a little higher than the close right here. Okay, but you can see they opened it up, immediately went bearish, and the buyers are getting retraced. They're getting taken out now. Okay, so see what I mean about taking it? Got a nice little impulse pop. They're going to push it right back in this area right now. Okay, most likely around the 9 MA. So that's why I said, guys, take the pips. All right, so that was a nice about 20 pip move here. We were looking for the continuation to 27. All right, obviously didn't get it, but we'll watch and see what the next couple moves are going to be. Okay, so not a bad entry. Okay, a little impulse, but that's what I said. You got to take your pips when you can. All right, so 752. Let's go head over to GU. We'll finish charting GU. Let's go from the 4-hour now. Orlando, you got 14 pips. Nice, perfect. Perfect setup on GU here, guys. Like in shoulder, head, shoulder, inverse head and shoulder pattern. This thing can come up and fill the wick here. It's getting some resistance here, okay, which is 1 second, I was trying to change the color. 1.31006. Okay, so we're pretty good here. Let's drop now down to the hourly. Alright, so remember what I was mentioning to you, right in this resistance area, it was rejected once, twice, 3, 4, and then a 5th time. So they're attempting this quite profusely, guys. This is a big candle right here. Like, this is a very bullish candle, guys. So let's see if we can get the momentum continuation, or if price is actually going to really start to, get hammered back down, and we can look into a downtrend. Okay, but before we do anything like that, we got to see what price is doing at lower time frames. Okay, so we're above the 50, getting some resistance here. Okay. Okay, dropping now down to the 15. Minute supply. All right, pushing and now pulling. Let's check what it on the 5. Okay, perfect. Okay, so we have some areas of support forming right here. Okay, so watch these couple candles, see how they're going to play out. I'm interested to see. Just want to check out the 3 minute for 1 sec here. Okay. Okay, perfect. All right. So you can see on GU we've had nice bullish movement, very obvious. Okay, we're coming into 5 minutes into a new hourly candle, which will be 8 a.m. Let's take a look at where we're at here. Okay, little divergent play. That's why you're getting kind of this little pullback here. All right, so we're going to watch now and see if we're going to get a continuation on GU, which can happen at a couple places. Break here, you make the high. Okay, if it starts to kind of push back in this area and break the support, obviously we're going to come back down to higher time frame. So I'm looking at this right now as kind of a trap just right so far. The volume has not shown us anything otherwise, other than it's going to potentially go bearish here. These two candles did not engulf this previous bullish candle. Okay, so there's buyers are still heavily sitting there waiting to possibly continue. All right, so what I'm looking for is the new hourly, okay, at 8 a.m. So just going to move this below right here, add an alarm. Okay, and then I'm going to add one right here. Okay, so you can actually see right away, we're just trying to break here. We're going to see if this resistance is going to hold. Okay, so let's go back and check out gold real quick. Probably get an alarm going on GU just because it's pretty tight. We'll take a look. There's gold, guys. Reverse down. Okay, still holding here. A little bit of a downtrend. Okay, just checking the uptrend here. A minute and 44, guys, for the new hourly candle. Okay, so you can see the reversing here pretty profusely. If gold wants to continue to dump, guys, looking for something right down here. Okay, we're gonna go check quickly the news. All right, guys, look at 8:30. Retail sales. Let's just do a quick little reboot here. All right. So core retail sales. All right, for US. Then we have 2 p.m. FOMC. This is gonna be a big folder here, guys. And then we have some Aussie red folders later tonight. So big things coming up in about 30 minutes, guys. Big things coming up in about 30 minutes. All right. If gold wants to break around this 1924 area, okay, and have a continuation, right, we're most likely going to get pushed back down to 22 and then possibly down here in 21 mark. Okay, so if it breaks here, most likely being pushed back down into consolidation. The reason why, guys, is what kind of candle is this right here? What kind of candle is that? Okay, new hourly has just opened. All right, so you can see they tried to push it up, getting a little bit of a bullish open. Okay, so you can see 1924 hasn't broke below the baby blue line. This candle right here, guys, it's important. Okay, it might not hold true just because of the new hourly open and the volume being pushed, but when you know what that candle is, guys, it's something that gives you a little bit of a clue. Okay, see how we're forming a downtrend so far, a little bit of a wick. All right, we're gonna see this. It's not a bearish engulfing. Okay, GU went dumpski. Let's go take a look. Okay, nice little potential downtrend forming on GU, guys. Okay, so let's take a peek at what the moving averages are. Okay, just getting held so far. Okay, so let's take a watch here on GU. We'll look at gold after. Guys, watch your spread and commissions. What are your spreads like right now? What are your spreads and commissions like? Let's watch and see what members are saying. 0.4. GU 0. Okay, good, guys. That's not bad. So there's gold, guys. Okay. So watching, see on gold. There we go. 0.2, guys. Okay, good. Just wanting you guys to know your spreads just before doing any kind of trades here, okay? So gold is getting held at that 9 EMA, okay? Bro, give us the signal when to entry directly and when to exit and stop loss. My God, I gotta give you guys everything. That's for the Zoom, guys. Mona Lisa, that's for the Zoom. Okay, we're talking in the Zoom already. So, YouTube, we're just watching and see price action here. Okay, but I want that too, guys. I want a buy, sell, entry, everything. I want someone to press the button for me. Less thinking. And that's just a joke, by the way. Obviously, it's not easy to do. Okay. Okay, Mark. Yeah, as you can see by the couple admins mentioning to you, like I said, we'll be in touch. All right, with the email. Okay, no problem there. Don't stress. If you signed up and you're good, you'll be in our system shortly. Okay. Okay, guys, you guys should be running in gold. Like, you guys should be running in gold. You can see that it's starting to dump. Remember that blue line I mentioned? Okay, so right out of that thing, you guys should be running if you took it. I'm just watching right here, waiting patiently. But again, see how it broke the 9? All right, coming right back down to this level of higher time frame support. It was once acting as resistance. Okay, so very, very slow. All right, but again, you can see that it is starting to sell off. Okay, you're getting a lot of bearish momentum here. So we're just going to see if we're going to get that continuation. There's gold. Okay, guys, so remember, you guys should be running right now. Okay, right here, don't get greedy. All right, it's running, it's slow. Okay, and we're leading into news. So last thing I would want is this thing to just potentially reverse on an impulse. You can see we have 2 minutes and 30 seconds right here. Okay, okay, looking good. Jay Chung, no problem. Okay, just don't get greedy, guys. Okay, if we got it anywhere around here, you can see it's running about 5 pips. Down here it touches 8. Okay, and anything below that, just gravy in the table. Okay. Guys, I'll be back in 2 seconds here. You gotta do the I gotta do the doggy thing. He's going ballistic right now. Be right back, guys. No stress, no stress. Balaj, thanks Dave. 4 pips left the runner. Perfect. That's it, man. What's going on, guys? All right. So you can see GU tapped. Okay, so don't get greedy here. That's the thing about dogs, guys. They don't leave you alone ever. He was right beside me going crazy. Let me out, let me out, let me out. It's morning. You're keeping me hostage in here. Guys, gold, you can see. Remember, I said right here starts to dump right below that blue line. Okay, you guys should be running in nice. Okay, right around there. Target's right somewhere around this area right here. All right. Most likely you're going to get some hold up before, obviously, there. Okay, you're going to get some levels right there. Gold is running, guys. You guys want to do CAD again for news? Remember that big dump? That thing was crazy, guys. Okay, so you can see that GU is starting to push. Okay, GU is starting to push. This is why I said look to secure. All right, guys. You can see that gold is starting to dump. All right, it's going to come right in this area. Okay, look, key consolidation, and we're going to make our next move here. So GU, guys, remember? Okay, she's starting to push back up. Sorry, let me read something here. BMW and Volkswagen suspended the operation of factories throughout Europe due to the lack of parts imported from Ukraine. Financial Times. Yeah, guys, that's crazy. I heard Starlink and some other people were having issues with getting like the chips and stuff like that. It's no joke here. Okay, it's no joke. So, current time, guys, 8:11. All right, Adida, you got that 420 on gold. Beautiful. Nasha, do we access Zoom to entry and exit points in Zoom? Yep, we mentioned that there. Yes, we do. Okay, not for all trades. Okay, but for the really good setups. All right, right now we're 2 for 2 in the Zoom. Okay, we have a gold buy, we have a GU sell, and if you took that gold sell again, it would be 3 for 3. All right, so you can see GU now is retraced right back to entry, guys. That's why you can't get greedy. Okay, that's why you can't get greedy. Gold is still looking very nice. There's the dump, guys. If this thing really wants to sell, remember, this thing's gonna, if it breaks here, guys, she's coming right back down. This is the key out level right here, or key area that I'm seeing on the 5-minute. Okay, a lot of consolidation. What you can do is you can jump to the 15, see what it looks like. Okay, you can see push, you have a spin top candle, then you have the resistance, getting a downward trend continuation. All right, they're getting held up at the 9 though. Okay, this is the 15-minute 9 EMA, which is acting as a nice little support here. You can see on the 5 we're below. Okay, but on the 15 it's below here, acting as a nice support. So don't get greedy on gold either, guys. Remember, gold can be, you know what gold can be. All right, so let's just watch. And if it wants to pick it back up, guys, the same opportunity will be presenting itself for a potential buy here. Okay. Okay, so it's 8:14. Okay, I'm gonna make it this one charter now. You can see that GU trying to press back up. All right. More, it was USD CAD on a red folder. Okay. See that gold is starting to pick up some liquidity here. Okay. So if you guys didn't secure some partials or anything on gold, you can see you're pushing right up above almost at 1922 area. If this thing holds below the 9, okay, you're going to start to see the next candle open up a wick fill, and it's going to continue. But remember the 200 here. Okay, that's the key. Remember I told you 1920.5. If it breaks there, she can drop. But the key area was right in here due to the previous structure right in this level. And the reason why I was looking for original sells is because this big bearish candlestick in that area recently had the same kind of move. Okay. There's GS, guys, perfect. Okay, so coming right back down to that 1920 area. Okay. Coming right back down. Nice push up, head fake, wick fill. Okay, right back down to the 1920. If it breaks here, guys, if this candle breaks this level right here, she's coming, she can come back down to at least that 1918 mark. There you go. New candles opening up in 2 minutes and 50 seconds here, guys. So hot. Good. Just wait until the news. Wait until the news, and we'll go from there. Okay, so it did tap that 1920.51. Nothing has broke yet. You can see it's still a bit of ways from the 9 moving average. So price can open up here, and the new candle can open and go bullish. All right, you can see there's a lot of support forming. Do you hold gold Z6 M7? No, brother. If you are in on this, you know what I mean. You can see what's starting to happen, right? So you make the judgment call, but again, you want to be able to secure. I wouldn't be holding through news. It's just a suggestion. You know the type of news we can get, guys. See how we tapped the moving average and it bounced right back up? Let's take a look at this on the 15. Okay, so the 15-minute we did break, but they're pushing it right back above and trying to hold it at that moving average. That's why I love this 9, guys. You can check the 5, acts nice. You can check the 15, it shows you even better. Okay. Here it's all foggy and stuff like that. Finally, it's not cold here. Just gonna make a quick switch. Gold is flipping, guys. Okay, GU is still kind of acting in that nice little sell opportunity. It's holding the 9. Okay. So I just flip back, guys. On the left, or sorry, on the right here, it's GBP USD. On the left, you have gold. Yeah, guys, 1 degree is not bad. Trust me, for our weather, it's not too bad. But most likely, what can happen is you get a nice day, and then boom, she hits and she dumps snow on you, just like a big FU candle. It takes you out. So, oh, guys, you see how they gapped it down there? Look on gold. See how they gapped it down? Right here, that nice little gap. Generally, you see how they gapped it right on the 1921 previous level right here. Okay, so 820. Remember, I told you if it breaks here, guys, she's coming back down to 1918. Okay, it's coming, guys. Look at GU2, nice sells. Both are still running. Nothing really hit stop loss at all for either. Okay, look at the dump, guys. Let's go. Oh, this thing is bearish, guys. This thing is dumping. Dumping. Incoming gold dump. GU, wow. Yep, I told you guys if it breaks here, look, it's coming down. Huge sell-off, guys. Wow, look at this thing. Nikos, yeah, it could only be on my broker, but who cares? It showed you the it showed you the momentum that they were pushing it. Guys, GU can do the same thing. This is a bearish candle, guys. Wow, they can push this right back down to demand. Look at this thing dump. And if it wants to continue, guys, if this thing crosses here, we're in for a heyday on gold. This thing's dropping. Okay. GU, guys, almost the same thing. GU just doesn't have the volume that gold has right now. It's still bearish, okay, but nothing is broke. If GU breaks this level right here, guys, you're going to get a nice little push back down to that pin bar right around here. Okay, very similar to what gold just did. there it goes, guys. Oh my goodness. Guys, that thing's running 67. Okay, this is a key area, 1918, guys. Thing's running about 60 pips, okay? From the overall entry, if you guys just got in from here, the dump, that's running about 24. So now is, okay, so it's coming into 825. All right, you can see GU is continuing. Okay, so about a minute and 11 seconds here, guys. Okay, so we're coming into about 17 seconds here, guys. There's gold. Let's go. Okay, new candle open. We got about 5 minutes, guys. Okay, so you can see GU's kind of respecting that support level. You can see by the buyers are opening it up. Gold is doing the same thing. We are heavily away from the moving average. So if gold retraces here, 1918 is a key level. All right, I want to throw gold on. Right here, just so you guys can see. All right, if this crosses right here, guys, she can float right back down, okay, to at least 1914. If this moving average crosses this pink 200 moving average, you can have the dump from here, okay, down to 1914 area. Okay. All right. So watch the level of support that we're forming here, critical area, okay? Guys, what are your spreads on indices right now? Okay, GU is still holding that support level, okay? That's why you don't chase the sells. Okay, guys, just checking it. .7, okay. Okay, guys. Okay, about 2 minutes and 22 seconds here. So keep an eye out on gold. All right, we're going to put on GU. Okay, so 2 minutes here. I'm not doing anything for this news. I'm just going to watch and see. All right. Okay, look at GU starting to retrace. Okay, I'm going to erase GU right now, move to Nasdaq. Okay. Guys, 11 seconds here. Remember, I just sent somebody to the group, so take a peek at it if it makes sense. Look for it. If not, then just chill out, okay? Here is the new 8:30 candle here. This is the news opening up here, guys. There's a lot of news right now. So let them do their thing. Okay, there's gold dump. Okay. Initially gold dropped. Okay. Okay, so gold's dumping. Nasdaq looks like it's selling a bit. Let's take a peek. I just want to see how the indices are going to do here right now. Let's take a look at Forex Factory. Okay, so for US, the core retail sales has not launched yet. Still waiting to go. We have retail sales at a negative. All right, but the core retail sales have not yet been launched. All CAD news is pretty much positive, guys. All of the Canadian news is pretty much positive. Okay, so you can see that just hovering around there on Nasdaq, not doing much. Okay, gold did dump off, sold. Let's take a quick peek on GU. Okay, so it pumped. Okay, right back up to the original entry point, and you can see now it's getting held up there as resistance as well. Okay, let's take a quick peek on USD CAD. There's the dump again on US CAD, guys. Okay, so we didn't have this done, but this is just from previous. Okay, you can see that they broke here looking like a W pattern, and then it just dumped. Okay. Webcam girls are back. Booyah. Let's go, guys. Where's my affiliate code? Y'all are being freeloaders here. Thanks, guys. Thanks, guys. Okay, you can see that gold is starting to reverse. Okay, you can see it's getting at 1918.21. Okay, it's starting to slowly pump back up. You can see they're not letting it cross just yet. Let's watch and see how this is going to happen. Retail sales 0.3. Okay, let's go check it out. Retail sales, let's see what core is. Okay, 0.2. All right. Okay. So remember, guys, if they hold it down here, this is performing like a spinning top right now, but if they hold this cross, you're going to start to see gold right back down to 1914. Okay, right back down to 1914. Okay, a little slow right now. There's not that much explosive movement here. All right, there's not much explosive movement. It's they're holding nice support level right here. Nothing's broke just yet. Okay, same with gold. All right, so but if this does break, guys, there's a neckline right around here that could lead to potential sell-off. Okay, but we're gonna have to watch and see. Okay, check out gold. Make this wider for you guys. There we go. Okay, just patiently relaxing here. New candles opening up, guys. This is what I wanted to see. About 5 minutes into the 8:30 time frame. Okay, so let's watch and see how the next kind of 5 minutes turns out. I'm just going to quickly erase this arrow down here. We know the overall target. Your price is faster than mine? Yeah, probably because of the lag on YouTube. That would make a little sense for sure. So remember, you guys should be running about 10 pips. Okay, you guys should be running about 10 pips. There we go. Okay, guys, that was the sell stop right there. Okay, target is down here. Don't get greedy, guys. Nasdaq is bullish. Okay, it's a nice little sell opportunity here, but again, this can push right back. Got 17 pips, Franco. Good, good, guys. Don't get greedy here. Jacques, you got 17 pips. Good, 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 good. That should be 55. My bad, guys. Okay, I'm going to make it full screen on Nasdaq alone right now. Okay, what you can see, gold is starting to push a little bit. Okay, I'm going to expect them to probably tap the moving average. At least there's a volume and they're holding support here, so most likely they're going to tap here, guys. If you guys are still in the gold sells, just be aware that buyers are probably starting to come in. Okay, and members, why this looked and why I mentioned to sell that sell stop here, you can see that right here. Okay, look at the price on the divergence. Okay, double top. Okay, bearish divergence. Okay, see how it broke? How you why you got that sell is because you broke the 50 and you had that continued motion. All right. Gratis. It's a good song by Jay Wayne. You guys should look that one up. It's good. I know it. I respect the OGs of it. Dude's been making YouTube videos about this stuff for 10 more years than we have. So it's good. Okay, guys. So just remember, there's about a minute here. That's why I'm watching. Okay, I'm leaving it on here. Oh, man. Yeah, Franco, I was noticing that too. That's why it was, like I said, that one drop. It didn't get the second one. So watch for the pullback, but maybe it's going to have its continuation. All right. Okay, 51 seconds here. Okay, guys. Z6, M7, you keep missing them. Okay, that's the best opportunity right there as a double top. But right now, if it does even break here, you're kind of chasing. All right, so it's up to you. This, you know, your R to R risk to reward, you have a high probability based on the bearish divergence right here that this trade might sell off for at least 10 pips. So you have a high probability that you might get this trade. Okay, right now your high probability to sell this, I have no idea what it could be. I noticed this setup right here based on the chart pattern which you learn. But now if you're starting to chase the trades, your R to R becomes very, very small. And if you sell here, guys, and this thing reverses because you're going to get a retest at least the neckline, okay, you're going to not be happy. Okay, so that's why chasing trades, guys, decreases your probabilities of potentially winning that trade, you know. And remember, small lot sizes, guys. There's no way anyone should be hammering out unless you have large accounts. It's up to you. Okay, very, very small account sizes when you're scalping, and compound those. All right, but you see what I mean? uh, Z6, if you sold here, you're now in drawdown. Huge. And the reason why I said don't look to sell is because look right here. Let me explain something to you. Guys, I'm answering a member question here, and I can be completely wrong. All right, but let's just see how this works. You see how at this key area it was once level of resistance, okay? The 13,532, right around here. You see that resistance level? They're pushing it up, pushing down, pushing. Finally, they pushed it up. See how they retested it? This is a key level here, guys. That means they had a troublesome time breaking it, okay, retesting it, and finally they held about maybe 25 minutes later, okay? So this is a break and a retest, which holds as a nice level for now future support, okay? Same with right here. See a break, here's your retest, and here's your continuation. So I'm not saying that this right now is a bad opportunity to sell. I'm saying that your probabilities might not be high, depending, because why? Let's take a look on the daily. Ignore this stuff right here. Okay, this is just our charting right now. Look at, you have an engulfing candlestick and you have bullish momentum starting to form. We're just starting to break above that 9 moving average. There's a long wick that can be filled. Okay, a long wick that can be filled. All right, so this is where we're at right here. The current price is 13,574. All right, we drop it back down to the 5. You can see that price is starting to continue to the upside. All right, so the probability of you getting a nice sell by chasing this trade is not going to be the greatest. Okay, so you will be in drawdown if you sold, but again, if it dumps down here, you know, you got lucky on that one. Okay, so, but like I said, this is just, I'm just going based on from what I've learned. Okay, And but the thing is, anything can happen, guys. They can take this and they can just say F you, and they can dump this. They can do it, right? We have no control over this. We're retail traders. Half the time that we are in, we're like 95% losing half the time, right? So that's what I mean. This is a 95% of the population hitting sells right now, okay? And it's going up. They're losing trades, all right? So let's just watch and see how it plays out. Let's go check out gold here. Let's make it a double chart. Okay, so there's gold, guys. I'm going to erase this here. GU selling off again. Is it going to our area? Okay, I'm just going to move Nasdaq here. We'll check out Nasdaq in 2 seconds. Let me add GU for 2 secs. Okay. So maybe I think we need to full size GU here. I can't work on this small screen. All right, there we go. Okay, so you can see, guys, that they pushed GU back up. You have an engulfing candlestick here. They got rejected right at that supply area. Okay, sorry, right at the consolidation area. This is supply. All right. You can see that they haven't broke the fit. Look at this. As soon as they break this 50 line right here on the RSI, if they do, okay, you'll start to see this thing start to drop. You can see they wick down, but these wicks, E green, no, follow candlesticks, dude. Don't worry about numbers. Follow the candlesticks. Okay. All right. So if it breaks here, she's coming down. But that's why it's going to break the 50 line on the RSI. Okay. If not, they're just going to hold support here and then pump it back up, which I can see a couple things. Boom, boom. Potential W. Okay, potential W right here. Boom, neckline here, support formation, possible continuation. Okay, that's if it goes bullish, guys, and that's if it holds that 50% line right there. Okay, if it doesn't, obviously you're going to see it's going to hold below the 9 and it's going to start to drop. Okay. So gold is picking up some volume in terms of the buyers here. Look at the support they're holding, guys. This is the 1917 mark. It's very strong. You can see 1917. They don't want to let it drop. They don't want to let it drop, guys. Okay, so this thing can push back up quite profusely. But guys, I won't lie. I'm pretty much done with gold. Gold was good to me today. I think it was good to a lot of the members too. So let's take a look at Nasdaq now. Okay, so now, guys, now remember the original push. Okay, now the new candle opened up and we're looking like we might get a possible continuation. All right, so remember how I was telling you about the probabilities? Okay, probability is that if this thing dumps, we're probably going to see a continuation. All right. Guys, yeah, more, and that's why I'm not really doing too much about oil, guys. The spreads, we got a lot of messages that spreads are very high on oil, especially for the prop firm traders. Okay, so we'll work on that. Members, we can trade that in our own room, but for lives, we'll stick with these. They're relatively good spreads on all boards: gold, GU, Nasdaq, US 30. Okay. Okay, so for real, This thing is starting to continue bearish. The support and the demand is looking like it's going to be broken here, which is a very, very strong level. They pushed it up here. They tried many times. Okay, so I'm going to erase this just so we can see. If, guys, if we do, okay, if we do break here, all right, most likely we can come back down to the next level, which is right around here. But be patient with it. The time is still only 8:48. Now you're asking, why am I putting it there? Remember how I explained right here how you had a break and a retest and a continuation? See the resistance right here? Okay, you had a break. Here's your retest and a continuation. All right. You sipping some Henny? Oh, not yet. It's only 8 o'clock. It's only 8:40, 8:48 here. Okay, we could look at how far we're away from the 200, guys. All right. Sorry, guys, just one sec here. There we go. Okay, guys, I just sent a message to the group. Guys, check that out. It explains to what I kind of mentioned to you about how the breakdown that I mentioned about the double top. Okay, and the probabilities. So there you go. Okay, so watch Nasdaq here, guys. If okay, she started to break. All right, the showing was so bullish. Okay, here's your next candle open up. Right away, as soon as you start to see, guys, that they're showing bearish momentum, and how you can tell this. Okay, so right now I mentioned high probability trade, not looking, continuing bearish. Now that was on this candle. As soon as you start to see the next candle open up parallel, and you see the wicks. Okay, let me explain this to you. Okay, you can see the wicks here. So I said, guys, probably not a great idea to go bearish. Okay, but again, as soon as you start to see boom, wick, candle opened, you see another wick right here. This wick closed lower. If you got in based on these wicks right here, you can see that you could have got a short-term sell. Now, remember, I mentioned that the probabilities of Nasdaq being overall bullish, okay, is high. So if you caught that original sell, you had to be very quick, okay, very quick. But again, it's below the 9. It's still holding that 13532. Okay. They might have head faked some of the sellers there, and they might pick up the liquidity and starting to push back up. All right. Oh, Barack Gunley, thank you so much. $2 Euros guy, he bought me a coffee. That's huge. Shout out to you, my man. Barack Gunley. You can see in the chat he's got the elephant, the pit monster. Okay. So let's take a look on Just Peach. Where do you see that? Let me just kind of flow through my charts here. Just Pesh, where did you see that? Okay, so didn't see it on gold. On Nas, Death Cross. Okay, so I think. Okay, bro. So I don't know if you're a male or female. I'm sorry. I call everyone that. I call my mom bro. You know what I mean? I'm just kidding. But this is not a moving average. Okay, this is just some. This was initial support. Okay. All right. So the moving average though, the 200, okay, if you want to see where it is, it's way down there. Okay, see that? That's where my 200 moving average is. You can see it just highlighted right there. Okay, so this is not a death cross yet. It's just basically. One sec, let me just open it up. This is just a level that was once a level of support that got broken. Okay, does that make sense? Yeah, Franco. Yeah, that's exactly it. So, um, just Pesh, if you want to check out what Franco mentioned, could be good. Okay. Okay, so 853, guys. Uh, we're 4 for 4 in the Zoom today. All right. GU sell, gold buy, gold sell, and then Nasdaq right here. Okay. Now I don't believe that probably everyone took every single one. I took 2 out of the 4. Okay. I took gold and GU. All right. And I took a little bit of NAS actually. I did a 1.0, which is $1 a pip. Okay, just because I don't over leverage on news. All right, and I made 15 pips. Okay, so Nasdaq is looking to dump, guys. The reason why I'm liking Nasdaq now more than ever before in terms of potential sells, because look at the wicks, they're making a low. All right, right here they opened it up parallel. So we're gonna leave it. We're gonna watch. I'm going to actually set an alarm. Right here. If it dumps, guys, it can fill that wick and potentially get to 13515. Let's watch. Okay, let's go check out gold and GU. Okay, gold is pushing up, guys. So yeah, just just Pesh. I love that name. I want to just say it over and over again. Franco, no, I'm not doing that right now. I'm good until probably 9:30. Okay. Okay, so look at where they're at, guys. Okay. So just Pesh. This is the death cross right here. So it dumps, and you can see that big sell-off we have. Okay. Now they're possibly approaching the same level. You see a nice little uptrend here. So we're at critical level. You can see we're at the 50 line too. Okay, if it breaks this 50 line right here, you're going to start to see a push back up. Okay, at least to the high and back into this consolidation at the 1921 mark. Okay, so let's check out GU now. Okay, GU is still hovering here. It's not getting the volume. You look at the closes, guys. I want you to see. You can see the closes. Push, close below the 9 moving average, getting some resistance here. All right. Guys, we'll go over payments in a second, but the old membership is not available anymore. We kept saying that to you guys. I don't know if you took us seriously or not, but yeah, it's just not. We had to up it just because of everything we're doing. So okay, but we'll explain that a little bit later. DPI is not a dumb question at all. Okay, it's a moving average. Okay, so if you want to look at the settings right here, okay, moving average, simple moving average. You can change it to whatever you want. If you guys want to put on a Bollinger Band, we can put on a Bollinger Band. Okay, if you guys want to do, EMA, we can do EMA. We could even do the EMA 9 right here if you guys want. Okay. Okay, so there's gold, guys. Okay, you can start to see. Let me move that back. back here. There we go. Okay, you can see gold starting to push. No, the Forex pilot. No, it won't. Absolutely not. CN. Yeah, man, you can message me. You're in my direct message right now. Just send me the message you want, and I'll see if I can answer it really quickly. Okay. So you can see, guys, right here, they're slowly starting to break that 50. Okay, you're getting more volume push. All right, I can see price coming to around this area right here on the 53.80 if it's going to continue. Okay. Okay, so you're getting your overall push starting to break. There's a good question that someone asked right there. There's Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq is still starting to fill that wick, guys. Okay. Here's a good question. Do you think more screen times helps you with the journey as a trader? It really depends on whether you want to do it or not. Some people they can just pick this up. Okay, you know what I mean? But they just pick this up. It all depends on if you want to do it. You know what I mean? Some people they get really pissed off with this stuff. They don't like it because they have no control. Because the market right here, remember I said the high probability was to go into a potential reversal. Okay, if you would have bought there, okay, and it started to reverse, you know what I mean? People they can't handle being wrong. I was like that. I'm an Aries, guys. If you guys know about Aries, right? That's a fire sign. You know what I mean? I don't need to always I don't care if I'm right or wrong now, but when I was at the beginning, I was pissed off. You know what I mean? So, okay, CN, can you send me an email on that one? Okay. I don't know if your plan expired or not, but we'll make sure to get that taken care of for you. Okay. All right. Thanks for sending me that, dude. I appreciate that. We'll get that taken care of. Okay. Actually, I just sent guys. Sorry, 1 second. I just got to talk to one of the members. Saying I just forwarded that to our other admin who's helping us with this. So we're gonna look into that for you. We'll be back. All right. Okay, Adita. Well, you're still here, hon. Okay, don't worry. We'll get you back in. The only reason why that happened is because of the website. We'll get you back though. Okay. Okay, let's go check out gold here for 2 seconds. Okay, gold getting some resistance right there. If you take a look, it's got the resistance at the 50. All right. Current time is 9 o'clock, guys. Okay, so I'm going to leave on Nasdaq here. I just want to check out GU for 1 second here. Okay, GU is not making its move. It's slowly starting to rise here, guys. Slowly starting to rise. Nas dump. Okay, we'll go check it out. Okay, so GU is getting some resistance here. Just monitor GU, guys. Monitor GU. There's Nasdaq, guys. Okay, nice little sell-off right back down to 13515. Okay. So high probability of selling here was pretty good. Okay, I was looking at the previous structure, and the whole explanation was it was wrong, guys. You know what I mean? And that's what I mean. The market, after I said everything about breaking down bearish divergence, whatever it may be, you can see straight up that the market does whatever it wants. Okay, it does whatever it wants. All right. Okay, guys, I'm gonna take a 2 second break here. I'm gonna leave Nasdaq on. All right. If you guys want to do US 30, guys, please like it to 300. All right, that'd be fantastic. If you guys don't want to, that's totally fine too, but I appreciate it. All right. We're not going to do oil. I've already explained that a few times. The spreads are too high for our members, so we're not going to touch it. Okay. Uh, no need to spam. Okay. Uh, don't be a don't be a spammer. All right. So, guys, give me 2 seconds, and I'll be right back, and we'll do the dirty 30. Okay. 2 seconds. Okay, guys. So Nasdaq just dumped. Buy Nas, coming right back down, and she's still selling off, guys. It's a beast. Okay. Okay. Getting a little bit of a push up. Okay. Let's take a look at GBP real quick. had someone see that it was negated. Okay, trend is still bullish, guys. Okay, let's watch and see if we're going to get this break here. You can see the candles are closing, they're still holding. Let's take a walk and we'll see if we're going to get that nice little push. Okay, it's slowly walking up. I take that. What I mean by taking a walk is they're slowly walking it up. All right. Okay, right now it's forming an engulfing candlestick. Okay, so which means selling pressure. All right, so keep that in mind. And let's take a look at gold, guys. Okay, gold is starting to flip again. See the resistance here on gold? A lot of resistance, guys. 1920, still walking its way up, similar to GU, but now GU is in the bearish direction. Gold is pushing up. Okay. Okay, nice bullish. Guys, if you guys hit those trades, there's no need to overtrade, right? No need to overtrade. Gold is pushing up, looking nice, breaking that overall move right here. Okay, we're probably breaking yeah, there you go, guys. We're slowly breaking that 50 line. Okay, and you're getting your little push. Okay, let's go check out now. Where is it, bad boy? There's Nas. Okay, new candle open up. That's what I wanted to see. See if they're going to hold the support, if they're going to start to fill these wicks. Sorry, guys. Team no sleep over here. Okay, so let me just quickly check. Guys, we just hit wow, we just hit 28,000 subscribers. All right, that's huge. Okay, we put no money into advertising, into anything. Guys, this is straight up all organic. Okay, this is all organic growth. I'm telling you, I have no problem showing you stats. We put no money into anything. All right. So guys, if you want US 30 246, we need another 44 likes. Okay? If you guys want GU, or sorry, if you want US 30, smash those likes, guys. Okay, let's take a peek on GU. Okay, GU is still holding. Okay, let's take a look at gold. Gold's dumping. Look at this, guys. Okay, let's see what it's doing on the 50. See how the RSI peaked above? Okay, and retraced. All right. Continued uptrend. If it breaks here, guys, she's coming right back down to the overall level. We have a nice little bottom wick here, so let's watch and see. There's still about 3 minutes left right here. I want to see how this candle closes. Organic, non-GMO. Certified non-GMO, guys. Guys, we started last August. We started streaming. Okay. So almost a few months. Okay, take a peek on Nas. Still holding support there. 10 more legs, guys, to US 30. I think we'll get it. So I'm going to do the US 30, guys. I just wanted to say thank you so much, guys, for liking the channel and even just signing on here. You're just watching daily, you know. I appreciate it. All right. So let's go take a look at the Dow. All right. This is going to be on Global Prime. Okay, so we're going to go to the daily. What am I drinking, guys? This is just an energy. It's like an energy powder. Okay. Sorry, guys. There you go. Nico, yeah, we all trade live here. I've pulled some trades off already today. There we go. Okay. So guys, we're approaching that 200. We're above the 9 finally after a few days. Nico, I like you so much. I don't know why. Brother, it's got to be the beard. It's got to be the beard. Something like that. Okay, sorry guys, one sec here. Yep, Nas found some support, guys. Okay, let's take a look on now the 4-hour. Okay, this is really crowded right now. Let me just move these. Guys, remember I mentioned to you that gold is, I'm probably pretty much done with gold. There's a reason why. Okay, we make our moves beforehand, and then you just leave it for after. Okay, you don't always need to be chasing on gold. If it makes us moves, guys, it makes us moves. All right. Yep, Chiu's selling off. Probably following that engulfing candlestick for the continuation to the downside. Okay, so we're going to drop down to the 30-minute. Okay. See, guys, why you go back and do your analysis top down? You just go back and readjust your charts. Okay, drop down to the 15. More there, neckline. Probably gonna move that up there beforehand. Okay, I'll drop down to the 5. Sorry, I want to go back to the hourly for 1 second here, guys. Just scroll to the left, see what we have there above. There we go. Okay, G is creating an M pattern, guys. Okay, thanks for the update. We'll go check it out. That engulfing candlestick clearly played out. Miss Independent. Yeah, like sometimes they're not, like, we're not perfect here. You know what I mean? It's not like we're nailing everything 100% of the time, right? So trades will be sent if it's in time, because we can't really control it. But generally, the trades are sent within 5-10 minutes beforehand. So, okay, and we're looking good so far, guys. Sorry. Okay, so they're picking up some volume here on US 30. All right, you can see they've come to the support. We got to respect the demand. Okay, short-term uptrend here. Let's see if we can get some continuation. Miss Independent, you can message us on Instagram and we can show you some examples of some of the stuff that we do. Okay, Stock Sniper Trading, guys. If you want to see it right here, just give us a follow. Okay, right here, this is us, guys. You can check it out. We give you some free content. Okay, but this is us, guys. Give us a like and follow. Oh no, Karen, you got it. Ooh, we're in, hun. Okay, so check it out, guys. 921 starting to flip. Let's go check out on gold right here. Okay. So do you see what I mean about maybe just leaving gold? You have push pull movements. You know what I mean? It's we caught the good moves, guys. We caught the good moves. If you caught the retracement there, it's fantastic. All right. But again, remember the bigger moves was up here, and we caught the buy originally. So I'm done with gold. Okay. Let's take a look at GU. Okay, right back down, kind of hovering in that continuous sell area support that we've had seen a couple times. Remember right down here. So remember, guys, if it breaks here, it's going to break to 50. Okay, I remember from when we did this about 10 minutes ago. This is acting as the 50 line right here. See how you're coming? We're just below it. All right. So let's see if we can get maybe the continuation or if it's going to hold here and push back up. Okay. Let's take a look at one more Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq very similar to US 30. Okay, so quickly. Okay. So there's EU, guys. Potential W forming right here. I also see a head and shoulder pattern here. Okay. Okay, so let's watch and see. That's EU, guys. Someone just sent a little bit of an opportunity here, so we got to look at everything, guys. Thanks for doing that peek. Appreciate it, my man. So there's US 30, guys. See how it's coming into that buy zone? Okay, yeah, no problem, hon. Stock Sniper Trading. Okay, we got almost 5,000 subs, and these are real, guys. Okay, look at this. You'll see this kind of stuff right here, and we have full descriptions, guys. Might make us log in, but yeah, I'm not logged in. Okay, so give us a show. Do you only trade on the low time frame, like 5 minute? No, well, we scalp on the fives, yeah, for lives. You know what I mean? It just makes it a little more interactive. It makes it more risky. Okay, but like I said, we still watch the 15 minutes and the hourly. All right, you have to. You have to. You can't just rely on those. All right. Yep, CN, we got you. I sent a message to our developer here. We're going to look into that for you. No problem. Okay, dude. Okay, okay. Okay, guys, let's look at oil. Okay, oil getting a little bit of retracement here. All right, coming to that key level, long bottom wick on oil. All right, if it starts to break here, guys, you know what I mean. It's very bearish, very similar to how Nasdaq did. Came to a nice little peak, right? Then you're getting some close. All right, so monitor oil there. Okay, 925. All right, 925. Oil breaks there, guys, it can at least come back down to roughly this area here, but you got to be careful. All right, and use small lot sizes because oil, very very high volume, very volatile. It's just like gold. Okay, so let's watch and see what's going to happen on oil. Okay, we'll go back to US 30 here. Okay, so 925, guys. Let's just get everything set up here. Okay, so guys, if you're new, don't trade the don't trade the 9:30 a.m., which is the New York Stock Exchange candle. Okay, it's high volume, which is going to be, you see 926 right here in about 4 minutes, sorry, 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Okay, do not risk more than 1% as it's very volatile, and use a stop loss and trailing stop loss. Okay. One sec, guys. Okay, 2 seconds. So guys, I'm gonna let this candle play out here. I'm gonna let it play, let it do its thing here. Make sure it's the website price. This is just because we haven't updated our stream. Okay, so we'll make that happen, and you can see the website price is actually the price that we're going. Relaxing my advice on gold for today. It'll be interesting. That's what I'll say. I have no idea. I have no idea about gold, guys. You can see it's still selling off for the continuation. All right, look at Nasdaq. Nice little retracement here, pullback for the continuation. Okay, so Nasdaq is still in sell mode. All right, let's watch and see if we're gonna get this. And Nasdaq, guys, applies the same rules here. Okay, same rules on Nasdaq. I'm not gonna watch it too much because we're gonna focus on US 30. Okay, here's the new candle open. This is the 9:30 New York Stock Exchange open, guys. Okay, let the first 5-minute candle play out. Take a quick peek on GU. Okay, so it's right there, guys. GU is like, it's very critical point. If this thing dumps, guys, it's coming right back down. Remember the 50 line? It's below it now. Okay. Okay, let's go back to US 30 for a second. Okay, a little bit of volume based on US 30 starting to rise. Okay, you can see there's a reason why you wait for the candle, for the 9:30 candle to kind of do its thing here. All right, Nasdaq just pumped down. I want to see, actually, we'll set a dual screen right here. I want to see Nasdaq for 1 second. Okay, so there's Nasdaq, there's US 30. Okay, so you can see Nasdaq is getting some resistance here. Okay, fuck, look at US 30, guys, looking bullish. Okay, so still only the 9:30 candle right here. Let it do its thing. Yeah, don't trust Toro. Don't trust it right now. Right now, it's not your friend. It'll bait you in. It's like that. It's like that girlfriend you take out for dinner, thinking it's awesome, and then you never hear from her again. Trust me. Just wait for the first 5 minutes. My man Toro. Okay, we got about a minute and 15 here. Okay, minute left here. Look at the volume push, guys. US 30 is continuing to rise. Guys, at least we have some honesty here. Miss Independent and Noxie. Remember how I said she's that girl that you take on a date and you never hear from her again? Yeah, she just said, I'm that girlfriend. That's funny. Okay, let's take a peek now at the 15-minute time frame here. Okay, so remember we had that break. Here's the retest. Okay, this shouldn't be there right now. Sorry. So this might be a head and shoulder pattern here. You have a shoulder, a head, a secondary shoulder. Let's see how the next candle opens up. Okay. Okay, it's still rising, guys. US 30 is nice. Okay. Okay, I'm watching here. Critical point. Let's see. Okay, so let's take a peek. Just broke below the 50. All right. So coming into 9:36. Okay, got about 3 minutes and 27 seconds. Let's watch and see how this is going to start to play out. You can see the volume is bullish. Okay, we're in a bullish trend since yesterday. Okay, so if it breaks here, guys, this thing has a lot of volume to continue. All right. Okay, 2 minutes here. Let's see what we have to the left, guys. Take a peek on the 15. We haven't been here in a while. All right. The 5. This thing's looking bullish, guys. Volume is pushed. Okay, if it breaks here, guys, if it breaks here, this thing can start to rise, break the high 33960. Let's take a peek. All right, we need to have some. Right there is 960, and then you have 33980. Okay, so remember, supply area. Let's watch and see how this is going to play out. If this pumps, guys, remember. Watch for the candle to close in about a minute and 40. Okay, you can see the resistance is starting to turn real now. That supply zone is, there you go guys. Okay, nice push. Still a minute left. Okay, she's rising guys. So if you got that potential opportunity from here to here, it's a short R to R, okay? Like a one-to-one, very small trade. See how we broke the previous high, low, high, low, and now we're pushing up, guys. Looking very nice so far. Let's see if we're going to get a continuation. What are your spreads right now, guys? There you go, guys. There's the push. Let's see the new candle open up here. This thing's going to fly if it breaks here, guys. Okay. See what I mean? From here, it's now tapping. Okay. Okay, guys. So you can see a little bit of resistance here. All right. If you guys got in from here to here, remember this is the trade. Okay. It's still walking up. Okay. US 30's pumping, guys. Let's take a look at the correlation between gold. US 30's pumping, gold is dumping, guys. Overall continuation, sell. All right. Okay, so guys, if you're in that US 30 now, let's take a peek. Okay, check this out. A little bit of divergence here. Okay, price is flatlining. You can see price is starting to rise. Okay, so you might get a pullback on US 30. So if you guys are in on this, look to secure. Okay, because they can drop this pretty fast. All right. It's a strong trend, guys. It's a strong trend. Okay. Now you just got to expect, Toro, not always, but you can find when you find that your spreads are high. Okay. When your spreads are high, look for the correlations. Okay. That's when you'll start to really notice it. That's a tip for everyone. I just said that to you guys. Okay. It doesn't always happen, but keep in mind if prices are correlated between the DXY, gold, maybe US 30, right? Obviously spreads are going to be higher because people are going to recognize the correlation, right? What's a good size for a trading account for this style of trading? Yeah, exactly. Super Radu, good point. 0 0.03, 0 0.05, especially on indices. Okay, especially on indices, very small lot sizes, guys. You see how I say 1%? Okay, so you just got to calculate 1% of your account. All right, very, very small. Okay, let's go check out oil right here for 2 seconds. Remember our oil trade, guys? Oil slowly starting to dump. Toro, I did see you message me, dude. I did see that. I'll get back. Okay, so you can see that oil has broke below those 2 previous lows. Okay, we're going to see if we're going to get a continuation. All right. Now, if this thing's going to sell, like right here, you can see there's a lot of buyers coming into play. Okay, and I see a long wick right here. So keep this right now, guys. Keep in mind that if oil does continue to sell here, it's got to hold below this mark. It's got to hold below 97.75. Okay, you can see it's just slowly starting to find some support here. All right. So flag on gold. Whoa, guys, look at gold. Just breaking momentum here. You can see as soon as it broke, 1 second, let me move this over here so you guys can see. There we go. So you can see as soon as it broke that trend, okay, it's starting to dump. All right, very, very simple. You can see the candle right here. This was the signification candle right here that told you. If you guys know, guys, what kind of candle is this right here? I know we're live and stuff like that, but it's 1 minute until we can look at US 30. What kind of candle is that? Some people saying hanging man, some people saying hammer candles. What is it? Members, website's up now. For the ones who can log in, check it out. You guys will be able to figure that out. And that's the key candle that you had to watch. Okay? That's the key candle you had to watch right there, letting you know that this is a possible reversal happening. Okay? Yes, exactly, Daywalker. Okay, so let's go check with the dirty here for a sec. Okay, so it's still slowly rising, guys. You can see now there's a bit of a spinning top here. So this, guys, this is indecision, which means the sellers can take over huge. Okay, they're probably going to push it right back down to this supply. All right, so let's watch and see if price is going to follow through, or if they're going to hold it at the support at 33959 and start to fill this wick to the upside. Greg. There he is, my man. Okay, so a lot of resistance here. All right, guys. Guys, if we take a look at US 30 on the daily, look at this, guys. Look at this volume. Remember, I told you these wicks up here, over to left. I don't know if you guys remember. Some people may be on here before when I was talking, and some people not. All right. Look at the volume being pushed, starting to fill, guys. Finally, we might get a little bit of a pullback retracement. Okay. But you can see now, volume is closing bearish. Okay. There's Nasdaq, guys, just taking off here. So remember I mentioned to Z6, M7, the one in the group who asked should I sell? It would have been a great sell opportunity, but you can see now it's starting to pump, guys. This is huge. Okay, it's going to come to this level of supply right here. All right, it's going to come to this level of supply. I can almost guarantee it, judging by the volume that you're getting. Okay, so check it out. US 30 reversed. Okay, starting to hold here. Members, I'm going to send a message in the Zoom in 2 seconds. I like the time. Okay, so check out the members in Zoom. Just check out the little text that I said here. Okay, I'm watching this closely. Okay, so check it out. Nothing so far. Gabriel, let's just watch and see. I'm waiting for the 43 seconds here, okay? Okay, 18 seconds, guys. Okay. 3 seconds, guys. You can see it broke through. All right. New candles open. This is, members, what I'm looking for right here, okay? Here's your retest. Let's see if they're going to hold. Okay, it's now push right back in. Push, pull, right back into that short-term supply area right now. So, but I'm still liking that the fact that they're holding this parallel. Webcam guys are back. Okay, go back to dual screen, check out Nasdaq here. Take a look at GU. Look at GU, guys, getting some resistance, okay? I'm going to put on gold here just because GU is a real chop. Gold is dumping, guys. Wow. Okay, huge dump on gold. There's your oil, guys. Oil is dumping. Beautiful, beautiful on oil. Okay, so if you guys are in, let me just make this full screen on oil here. Okay, guys, so you guys are running on oil. Remember I mentioned to you, come right there. Oof, guys, look at that. 48, 70 pips, looking good. Broke right through. Did anyone take oil, guys? I was watching oil like a hawk on this one. Good, Jay. Good, 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 good. That was the trade, guys, right there. Okay. So let's take it back and look at US 30. Okay, one sec, guys. Let me make this full screen here. Okay, about a minute, guys. A minute on this candle. Let's watch and see how this closes and see how the next one opens, guys. Guys, perfect. Okay. Guys, still got FOMC at 2. You know what I mean? We're going to stop the stream in about 2 seconds here. Members on YouTube, guys, you can check out the free Telegram, guys. The top of the chat is our free Telegram channel. Okay, I'm just putting a screenshot of what the Zoom members say. Okay. Perfect, guys. Members, you guys should be looking good on US 30. You did? Iran? Okay, good. Guys, I mentioned the 30 rate dump around here. Okay, it was around that support level. All right. Okay, so quick little move here. Closing below the 9. Here's your retest. And we're looking good. Okay. So that's what I mean. You got to be fast, guys. Okay, you got to be fast. Look at, they're trying to pump it right back up. So secure, guys. Even if this thing does sell off, it's going to come probably right back down to the overall uptrend that we were once forming. Okay. But guys, 955. Okay. Listen, I want to show you guys something here. All right. Guys, this is our new site. Okay. I don't want to spend too much time on this. All right. We're still getting members transferred over, so it's going to be a shit show for us. Okay. All right, guys, check it out here. This is our home page. All right. Scroll down here, guys. This is 10% off. All right. Applying to your coupon membership. Okay. Check it out here, guys. This is how we're going to start joining our sessions from now on. All right. There'll be nothing posted in any of our groups. You have to log in through here. Okay. So that's why website access is perfect. Here are our plans, guys. Okay. Monthly membership, Sniper 3612 one-on-one. Okay. We have a 1 lifetime. Okay. And we have an alerts only. You don't, for the alerts, guys, you get nothing to do in our Discord other than the alerts. Okay. This is our recommended broker, HankoTrade. You can read the benefits, guys. You can click on our New York session. This updates every video. Okay. This is just a video that we made up so you guys can see what we're doing and stuff like that. This is our broker video. Okay. Similar to what I play on YouTube. If you guys have any questions, you get in touch with us here. If you want to join our daily newsletter and mailing address, it's right here. Okay. All of our social media, guys, also right here. All right. So guys, if you have a question too about the calendar, okay, these are our live sessions right here. This is how we're going to join from now on. Okay. Members will update you on our group, but for people on YouTube, this is how we is. This is it. Say you want to join a session, you just click there and you get access. Okay. If you want to book a one-on-one session, okay, this is how it goes right here. You'll see it pop up, and the schedule right now is not ready to go live 100%, so you won't be able to book. All right, but this is just showing you an example. Okay. Amelia, Andrew, if you want to downgrade from your plan to get into Zoom and the alerts, you get no live trading. Okay, I'm just going to let you guys know that. Sarah Millen, yes, we will. Absolutely. Okay, so you guys can see the memberships here again. Click it. Good to go. All right. Our education, guys, you have to be signed in to be able to get it. We have a multiple back end. Okay. It's got case studies, webinars, boot camps, and our tutorials, which are uploading. Okay. And guys, you can see that the walkthrough, if you guys have any questions, just watch this video and this will tell you how to walk through and connect to our Discord. Okay. Guys, listen, we are having a little bit of problems right now, just a little bit, okay, about getting everybody connected, just because the migration's it's not easy. All right. Even professional developers have it. Okay. So just check it out, walk through. If you guys have any emails, if you have any questions, okay, more than welcome to send us a message on the homepage. Okay, and you will send that right here. Okay. Okay, guys, that's our new site. Be patient with us. We'll be in touch with you. Okay, members, we got you. Don't worry. Let's take a quick peek. Look at US 30, guys. Members, you guys are running, if you guys held, you're running about 40 pips. Okay, so pretty good. All right, guys, thank you so much. We'll see you guys tomorrow, same time, same channel. All right, guys, later.
Every trader's focus is to get low spreads and finding a perfect strategy. They also focus on proper entries and exits. However, before any decision is made, look for a reliable broker. We all want to have good spreads and commissions that allow us to get into the blue faster. At HankoTrade, having spreads as low as 0.0 pips with leverage available up to 500 times is just one click away. You may also choose from 3 different account types, with a minimum deposit as low as $10. Built by traders for traders. Trade and control with our recommended broker, HankoTrade.